Hello everyone, Sam. I already tell you guys how to set up the Hornbill with the app phone and key pass with the fingerprint and the key pass. Okay, so we let's do together. So the first time I need you to download the app for TT lock or Nest lock like I have in my phone. They call the TT locks, or you can use a manual. They have the scanner over here for you to download over here. See, the install they show you, but not probably not right. Okay, you download this one or download another one. Okay, it's up to you. So now you set up the phone easy. After you got this one, you see the bar over here. Right, you my phone number, and you add the lock. You add the lock. Right, you have the lock, something like that. You go nest. Okay, but I did already. Okay, so the gateway G2 I already add. I plug in my Wi-Fi. You see that G2 already. So if you want, you can add another gateway. I give you example. You go to G2, like they add you the Wi-Fi number, and they add you the enter the password, and you enter the password, and that's it, done. Okay, that's very easy. Okay, and then you are allowed to use the IC card, or maybe you can use it by phone. Door lock and lock. So the next step, you need to go customer service, but you don't need to. Okay, so now this car, if you want to do the car, you see that car over here, right? Look. So I really put my somebody name already. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next one. You see, add the car, and you put the name. You can use like your son name, your daughter name, whatever, and you put. I give you example. I put my name over here. How? Okay, so I go to the next one. Okay. So now they tell me where is my car. Look at that. Look. Because this one is really auto write. So they don't work it. Alright, so when they accept it, and they say successful over here. Because this one I really activate. Okay? So they don't work it. Unlocked. So they have the car unlocked already. So that means the name already. Okay?
Please swipe your card. Input successful.
They want the lock on the lock. Okay, so now you see my name over there, successful already. Look at that, my name over here. Okay, so now I'm going to use this card to unlock the door. Look, the door locked now. Look, this lock, right? Look, I swipe it, they unlock.
Unlocked.
See? Good, easy. Okay, the next step we need to do the finger. Okay, the finger ring here, the finger ring over here. You see that finger ring? Put the finger ring. Add your finger ring. I'm going to call my son come over. Luca! 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 1 second. Luca! Luca! Do you hear me? Come over here. Come over here. I'm going to add your finger over here. Come. Hurry up. Sorry about that. I'm going to call my son to come over. He do his finger. So I already my finger already. Okay, you're going to put your finger over here to activate your finger. 1 second. I'm going to show the... Because add the finger again. Add the finger. Go the name. I put my son name. Okay, I go next. Okay, so now my son put it over here for 4 times. Okay, look at what with your finger you want. Put. Take it out. 1 time. Put 1 more time.
Operation failed.
Okay, wait. Sorry, I'm going to put start. Okay, now put 4 times.
Please press your finger on the sensor.
Okay, take it out, put it again, one more time. Make sure you do right because the door not lock. Go more, one more time.
Please press again.
One more time.
Input successful.
Okay, that's accessory already. Look at that. Say over here. What to show the YouTube person. Okay, now my name already fixed it. Okay, now you want to unlock the door. Put your finger over there to unlock the door.
Unlocked.
Look, perfect. You see that? Easy. So next time your son or your daughter, whatever, you just put your finger on, and then I show you how to set up. 1 second in the auto lock. The auto lock, you don't need to use the key anymore. No more key. So now I'm going to put my finger. Look at that. Then go.
Operation failed.
I failed because my finger not right. Right.
Unlocked.
See? It's perfect now. So the next one, we're going to keep it easy. Okay? We got to go back. So you done. Thank you. Kêu em lại trong đây.
Oh my god.
Okay, so passcode. See that passcode? You put over here. Very much similar. Very easy. See family. I put the name family. If you want, you can. They call it generate passcode over here. You put on, right? So whatever, because I did already, right? So if you want to put the name, different name like family or your daughter name or whatever, okay? I give you example. I go put my name on, okay? Go create a password. I can put any password, whatever I want, okay? So they give you this one example, okay? This is the password, they give you example. But you don't like it, after that you can change it. Very, very easy. Okay, so that's done. The 4 steps, you can use this one, you can use the key, you can use the app. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another app. When you have already the app, look. Now you hold this one there, unlock. Okay, just touch this one. I think so, touch this one. They unlock.
Unlocked.
See? Okay, so now I'm going to do another one for my daughter. Come over here. You do the finger ring. Okay, so add one more finger ring. Here, so I'm going to add another person. His name is Ella. Ella. Okay.
Có 2 cái L. No.
Sorry. Ella.
Có 3 cái L.
Oh man, sorry man.
Đây đây.
Okay, so now Ella, okay?
Vẫn có 3 cái.
Really, man? 3 chữ L hả? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ella now, okay? So you go next. Okay, you put your finger over here. I bấm start right now.
Okay.
What finger con mở cửa?
Con bên
Please
Okay.
press your finger on the sensor. Please press again.
One more time. Take it out. One more time.
Please press again.
Take it out. One more time.
Please press again.
Take it out one more time.
Input successful.
Successful. Okay, so now perfect. Now the lock. Okay, 1 second. 5 seconds. I set up 5 seconds. I'm going to show you the app. 5 seconds. The auto lock. After the lock, you put your finger over there. 1 second. Then it will be locked. Okay, put your finger over there. They unlock.
Operation failed.
No, you have to put right. Unlock already. Look, perfect. You see that? Easy. Thank you very much. Okay, so the next time we go back to over here to set up. I believe that. See the auto lock over here. 10 seconds. I'm going to adjust 5 seconds only. I'm going to do 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds the auto lock. Save it. Very easy. This one, man, the best lock we can use. Okay, so now example, okay? I'm going to put my finger over here, unlock first.
Unlocked.
So 5 seconds, you find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lock. Man,
Locked.
perfect. Okay? Okay, that's it, buddy. Okay, thank you very much for your watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.